When Tang India launched the Litro Pack, the initial easy answer for boosting trial could have been launch new flavors, new SKUs. But the real challenge we figured was different. Moms and families struggled with getting the taste right every time. Some glasses turned out too weak, some too strong. The Litro Pack solved that friction by pre measuring for a perfect liter. Trial grew because we diagnosed the real barrier first. That's the power of a brand diagnosis. And that is where AI can now be your sharpest partner if you use it for clarity, not just speed. You know what I'm saying? Most people use AI like a vending machine. Quick ideas, quick drafts. But the real leverage isn't speed, it's clarity. Think of AI as a very smart but junior team member. Let it probe, let it push, let it surface what you are missing. Then you, the human, do the synthesis and choosing. Brand diagnosis is the most underrated step in strategy. But today it's even more critical because AI won't do hard thinking for you. So, beyond all hype, hustle, and hacks, here's a brand diagnosis framework with reference prompts I like to use. I call it CLEAR. C is for category scan. A prompt like what three signals show shifts in expectations, competitor moves, or tensions in the last year? For each, give me one rational, one strategic tension. This forces you to look at change, not just status quo. Now, L, landscape of competition. Based on this positional summary, how do our top three competitors differ in tone, promise, and emotional territory? Is there something we are overusing or underowning? This forces you to see sameness and differences. E is for emotional territory. What emotional or functional frustrations might this brand's audience be navigating that we have not explicitly addressed? Rank the frustrations by potential impact on brand affinity. This forces you to find the human tension beneath the numbers. A is for ancestry. Here's a shorthand brand history. Which parts of this history are reflected in our communication, which are missing? Suggest one way to modernize or refrain without losing authenticity. This forces you to balance heritage with relevance. R is for relevance. What two cultural tensions could shape expectations in the next 2-3 years? Show one scenario each. This forces you to future proof your strategy. Now, run these before you touch ideas, and you could uncover blind spots that could change your priorities. The entire process in 3 steps. Step O, paste in the facts. One product price point, one audience metric, one research data point, two verbatim customer quotes, one short sales trend. Then, step 1, run the meta prompt. Let AI ask you 5 clarifying questions. This is there in the downloadable sheet. Step 2, pick your biggest unknown and run 2 to 3 clear prompts in that direction. Step 3, do human synthesis. Write a 1 page brief, top hypothesis, supporting evidence, and the next tests. Validate with other stakeholders, consumer research before investing in any R&D or media. This is the sharpest brief you can create for strategy, research, or creative. Now, 3 case examples I'll share. NICE. It had 100% awareness, yet sales were not growing. Diagnosis showed the real barrier wasn't efficacy, it was perception. It had become to be perceived as too clinical, too problem solution. But repositioning it as a daily summer comfort product with innovations like Nysel Gulab Cool, the brand regained cultural relevance and grew. Take ITC Classmate. In a crowded stationery market full of strong regional players and unorganized competition, the brand was starting to sound generic. Diagnosis revealed its emotional territory was underowned and competitors were eating into its space. Reframing the brand vision and architecture, we made Classmate distinctive again. That repositioning landed it in the top 100 campaigns of the year uh, is another matter. And Sugar Free Natura dominated the diabetic sweetener niche but was plateauing. The bigger opportunity was in fitness and wellness. But healthy consumers did not want to be seen using a medical product. Diagnosis showed the issue wasn't awareness, it was positioning. So we reframed sugar-free as a mainstream wellness sweetener, calorie conscious, fitness friendly for anyone mindful about health. That shift moved sugar-free from the pharmacy shelf into kitchens, cafes, gym bags, unlocking wider growth. What do these cases teach us? First, AI question cannot be give me ideas. It's help me diagnose. Use AI to surface blind spots, to sharpen questions, to prioritize. You get a focused hypothesis which you then investigate with further consumer testing, other stakeholders' feedback before committing resources to R&D or media spends. So download the clear prompt pack in the show notes. Copy one prompt, taste your brand facts, say one surprising finding, then go further. Diagnosis first. AI for clarity, not just speed. Subscribe to Jagged with Ravi for more. And until we meet again, stay jagged.